Hello, Miss Lissandra. Hello, everyone. Hello, classmates. And I am here to present my HTML website. Introduction. I decided to design and develop a gym website. The goal of this website is to provide a simple and efficient digital platform that allows customers to browse gym products, place orders, and inquire about memberships in a more convenient and organized way. Significance. The significance of ES trainers lies in its ability to provide an organized and accessible way for customers to browse and purchase gym products online by offering clear product categories and a smooth checkout process. The platform simplifies decision making and enhances the shopping experiences. Ultimately, the website makes achieving fitness goals more convenient through its integrated cart and inquiry systems. Beneficiary, fitness enthusiasts, provides a single platform for those who want to browse and purchase a wide variety of gym products equipment without visiting a physical store. BC Professionals allows quick and easy access to fitness product online, saving time for those with busy schedules who still want to maintain an active lifestyle. Gym newcomers. The Inquire features lets first-time gym goers easily ask questions and get guidance before making a purchase or committing a membership. Stakeholders, admins and staff, and gym members. The homepage. This is what can be seen on the homepage. Here is a top navigation with the AS Trainers logo and menu links. Below the header, there is a hero section with the gym's mission to empower the local community to move better and live longer. Customers can navigate to products about us, contacts, inquire, and acquire sections from the main navigation. The product page. This is where the customer can find our products. Clicking the products navigation link brings customers to a catalog page displaying all available gym items for purchase. Customers can browse individual items with prices and click the add button to place products into their cart. The About Us page. This is where the customers could look for some information about our gym. The About Us page shares our mission to empower our local community, move better, live longer, and ignite the potential that stays hidden behind a desk or a screen. It highlights our core values of community, health, and dedication to fitness excellence. The contacts. This is where the customer can find our contact information. The contact page provides all necessary details for customers to reach AS trainers, including phone number, email address, and physical location. Customers can use this page to ask questions, request information, or plan a visit to the gym. Clicking the Inquire button, a form will pop up and the customers will fill in their information to send an inquiry. The form collects the customer's name, email, and message before sending. After submitting, a pop-up confirmation appears to let customer know their inquiry was received successfully. The cart page. After the customer chose the products, they will be put in the cart with the total of all products. The cart page displays a summary of all selected items, their individual prices, quantities, and the running total. Customers can review their selections and then proceed to check out when ready. The checkout and receipt page. After the customer clicks the checkout, this will pop up and ask for the customer confirming an order receipt pop-up with an estimated delivery of 3 days from now. And that's all, thank you. And this is my HTML website. This is my homepage and the product.